Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Charlie and I would like to welcome you all to Sundays with Charlie. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make self-rising flour. You know, the self-rising flour that you would spend $2 to $3 or possibly more dollars from at the grocery store. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to make it, and it's real simple. The ingredients. Let's go over the ingredients. First off, you're going to need some flour, all-purpose flour. It could be bleached, unbleached, whichever one you prefer. You're going to need that. And along with that, you're going to need some baking powder. You also need some baking soda. Now, some people might ask the question, well, can I use all baking powder? Yes. Can I use all baking soda? Yes. But it's best that you have both of them, because it's nothing like having the best of both worlds, if you know what I mean. Yeah. And along with that, you're going to need some salt. You can use regular salt, you can use sea salt, whichever one you prefer, whichever one works for you, you can use that. Okay. And lastly, you will need a flour or cake sifter. Yeah. So real simple, real easy to do. So let's get started. Okay, so in a large bowl, I'm going to add my flour sifter in there. Now to make these self-rising flour, it's real simple. We're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Add that in there. Now, per 1 cup of all-purpose flour, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Now you can also increase this to 1 teaspoon if you like, or if you want a reduced sodium, if you want to add a lot less salt, you add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay. Now I'm just going to sift this into this bowl. And that's very simple. I'm just going to give this a quick stir. So yeah, it's real simple and easy to do. Now we're going to put this self-rising flour to the test. I'm going to be making some buttermilk biscuits with this, and I'll go through that process with you shortly and show you the results of it. So let's get started with that. Okay, now I'm about to make some buttermilk biscuits. Now here I have about 2.5 cups of the self-rising flour mixture. Now I took my butter and added in a food processor and just blended that in, and there you go. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my buttermilk in here. This buttermilk is cold. I'm just dumping this right on in here. Yep. I'm going to just take my spoon and I'm just going to give this a quick stir until this mixture forms a dough. Get my hands in there, get my hands dirty a little bit. And yes, I washed my hands, so don't ask me. Yes, I did that already. Sprinkle my little flour, surface of my table. There we go. So I just dump that on the table. Just press this down. I don't care how this dough forms, I'm just gonna press it down. Alright, now to cut these out, I'm just going to use a measuring cup and do the best I can. You know, I don't really have no biscuit cutter or nothing like that. Looks about right. Hey, look. I got a little 1/4 cup on there. That's crazy. Look at that. Look nice. Alright, I added my biscuit dough into the baking pan, into my baking pan. So I'm waiting for my oven to preheat, and I'm just going to throw these in the oven and bake them. Okay, now I'm going to put these biscuits in a preheated 400-degree oven, and I'm going to bake them for about 15 minutes or until they're golden brown. Okay, now I'm going to remove my biscuits out of the oven. As you can see, look how beautiful that looks. Oh my goodness. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and brush these biscuits off with some butter. Let me show y'all one of these biscuits. I mean, look at how nice and soft that is. I mean, it is so soft. And look at the inside. I mean, look at that. Looks so good. Now, my biscuit recipe is going to be found on my official website, www.charliethecookandrews.com. I'm going to have the link to the recipe in the comment section and in the description box, of course. But as you can see, the self-rising flour did an extraordinary job with the biscuits. And this is the result of the self-rising flour I used. I mean, just perfect. It actually did better than the self-rising flour I buy from the grocery store. And I'm about to go ahead and taste me one of these biscuits. Ooh, this one right here. I'm gonna take this one. Look at that. Wow, good. Self-rising flour passed the test. The buttermilk biscuit was soft, buttery, delicious. I'm literally about to eat the whole pan of biscuits. And it might take me a day, but I'm gonna literally eat the whole thing. I'm just joking, I'm just joking. But I ate about 4 of them already, so gotta watch out for that. But say, bruh, what's the point of going to the store, spending $2, $3, or possibly more dollars on self-rising flour when you could do it yourself? I mean, simple as that. I have an official website for all my recipes, including the buttermilk biscuits and the self-rising flour. Gonna be on there too. The official website is www.charliethecookandrews.com. Now on that website, they have the recipes, they have the YouTube videos, so that way you ain't gotta go to YouTube video and watch it. And you can also donate to the channel if you choose to. So I mean, hey, and you can even print out the recipes on the website as well. I'm also on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews, under the same name, Charlie Cook Andrews, on Facebook and on Instagram. I'm sorry, y'all, my arm getting kind of tired. That's why I was kind of a little shaky. Yeah. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all had fun spending a little short amount of your Sunday with me. And I'm also gonna be doing more videos like this in the near future, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace. Now I'm about to eat me another biscuit. This is about to be my 5th biscuit right here.